Witty Science Teacher. Today I'm going to show you this awesome resource that I found from Ward's World, which is a website where you can get lots of science resources. They have products you can buy, but they also have activities that will help you in the classroom, and then they have articles and stuff that you can share with your classroom. So today I'm going to share with you the Pendulum Lab. This is really awesome if you teach physical science. It can be used to show potential and kinetic energy, and it can also be used to show wave parts like frequency, amplitude, and oscillations. So I'm going to show you how to use this and how it would be great in your classroom.
So here you can see the Pendulum Lab in motion. If you watch on this side, this one has all the kinetic energy, but you will see the energy will be transferred as this one will start to stop, and the one on the other side will then have all the kinetic energy. So this lab is great at showing how energy is not destroyed, but it's just changed. It comes with a workbook for teachers, and then it also comes with all the worksheets for students, which I'll show you in a moment. And now here you can see the pendulum. It comes with the wooden dowels, the string, and then it has these two weighted bobs. Here's a preview of the teacher's guidebook, which is awesome because it has all the vocabulary words, and it also gives you a lot of background knowledge. So you don't really have to know everything about this physical science activity or the material in this unit. That workbook has everything you need to know, and then it also has the questions with the answers that are also on the student's worksheet. So it's got a key for you.
This lab comes with 6 pendulum kits. And then it also has a variety of things that you can use on the pendulum. So you've got 2 different types of string you can use. You can use the red yarn or the string that I showed you on that one. And then you also have a variety of objects that you can use. So you can change the density and the mass. And so there's lots of variables that you can use on this Pendulum Lab, which makes it really cool because it's a student-led investigation.
Here's a complete look of everything that comes with this product. Now let's look at why this Pendulum Lab is awesome for students. It's awesome for students because, number one, it's fun and engaging. I had so much fun just getting this out of the package and playing with it. It's also standards aligned and science and engineering practices. It hits all those standards that you need for this physical science and for engineering. And then it also has guided step-by-step investigations. I went through the student worksheet, and it was very easy for me to not have no background knowledge on this product and just put it together and realize on the student side what it was asking me to do and what I needed to find. It walks the students through a complete science and engineering investigation from questioning, observation, inference, and then design, conduct, and analyze everything that they need to successfully complete the science investigation, which is awesome.
Now let's talk about some reasons this Pendulum Lab is great for teachers, because this product is amazing.
This is just an easy product. It's easy to implement. It's easy to use to teach waves and amplitude and frequency. It comes with everything you need to successfully implement 5 to 6 days of instruction on waves. It includes all the vocabulary and questioning that you need to know to be able to teach the students, and for the students to have this level of questioning at different levels, which is very good to keep them engaged and to challenge them. And then last of all, there is a follow-up plan you can use to dig a little bit deeper into waves. And I thought it would be awesome to use this for differentiation. For those early finishers that are going to finish before some people, I think it'd be awesome to use that follow-up to help them to continue to be challenged and then to dive a little bit deeper into waves and actually apply this to the real world.
I love this product because of all the great resources that come with it and how it's student-led. I really love science investigations that are student-led. It does have the option of me doing the demo at the beginning, but I love how the students can take it and take all the variables and just go and build their own investigation and learn on their own at their own speed. And then it's also got that early finisher option so that you could use it for the kids that work really fast to take it to the next level while everyone is still getting the same amount of days of instruction. So I really love this product, and I cannot wait to use it with my 8th graders next year. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about the pendulum, you can drop those below too. And if you want to find the product, I'm going to link towards Science out their website, not just for physical science, but anything science related. It is a great resource for teachers. So check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.